how to convert a 2D file, 2D drawing into 3D model. See here, and this 2D file download link I'll give in description below. Just download it and make yourself. I hope you like it. So let's start to make convert a 2D drawing into 3D model. Now here we are going to create a 3D model from 2D drawing. So first we will open 2D drawing. Now this is our 2D drawing, all 3 files. I will give the link in description below. You can download it from GrabCAD. So simply drag it to Solidworks. Once you drag this 2D file in Solidworks, it will ask you create new Solidworks drawing, convert to Solidworks entities, select here next. This is the drawing, simply next. It will ask you few little things like units in millimeter. Landscape, we will use A1. Unit scale 1:1. Okay, everything same as it is. Finish. Once you select finish, it will see this is our 2D drawing. So we will one by one select it and paste it in our 3D model, and we will convert it. So how we will do this one? Let me choose first this one. We will consider this one as a front view. Now let me choose Ctrl C, that means copy. New, click here part. Okay. Now select this all 3 planes, right click and choose show. Now here we will paste this one. So I'll choose front plane, sketch. Now click Ctrl V. See, it is pasted here. Now what we will do, we will choose here move entities, because we want to move this one. So see, we need to move. Before going to move, here you will see you have to select from to, then only you are able to move. So just move at the center of the origin. Click. Now it is moved. Now simply exit. Now see, in front view we fix this one. Now let's select this top view. Now select drawing model. Now here we will select this one. Now select whole geometry. Select press Ctrl C. Okay. Again window part 2. Now click on the sketch, top plane, sketch, normal view, and select somewhere here and select Ctrl V. Now see, it is moved. But this is the center point, so here we will do some little modification. Let me draw a center line. Even though you can make a diagonal also, that's far better, but that's it. Select move entities. Now I'll choose this whole circle and make sure it is from. Now here let me choose this point and move along up to, see if you fix near to, just move your cursor to origin and leave and click. Now see, geometry is moved. Exit and you will see this is the top view. Let's go to drawing. Now this time I'll choose this one. Press Ctrl C, means copy. Window. Now this time I'll choose right plane, sketch, normal view, and here somewhere select outside, Ctrl V. See? Now select whole geometry. Move entities. Now I'll select somewhere midpoint. See this midpoint, select and drag and fix up to here. Exit. Now here we fixed our all the drawings. Now what I will do, I will hide, select all the planes, hide. Now with the help of this sketch we are going to create our geometry. We fix this all sketches on all three planes. So we will start with this plane, sketch 1, extruded boss base. Now select this bottom, keep end condition mid plane, and here let me select the view. Okay, this view is perfect, and we want to extrude up to here, so simply drag this arrow and move up to, if you move up to here you will see it is fixed. Leave. Okay. Oh, look. Sketch 2. In sketch 2 we will try extruded cut. Reverse. But here we need to select what we want to cut. We want to cut this corner, so we need to select whole geometry. Make sure you selected whole geometry. You will see here, simply here select through all, and one more thing, select flip side to cut, so that we will cut these corners. If we say OK, see, we cut this corner. Now let me select sketch 2. Again we will choose extruded cut, and this time what we will choose, reverse this circle, this circle, this circle. These three circles we are going to create. Cut, select through all. You will see from bottom side. Oh, look. Now do one thing, let's keep show all the images. See, now again I'll choose the same sketch, extruded boss base. This time what we will choose, select the bottom and select this face, and how long we need to extrude, go to views and here select front views. Now see, there is arrow line, so just simply drag and up to here. See, it's going to fix up to here. Now look, now let me choose again which sketch 1. Select sketch 1, extruded boss base, and this time I'll select this one. Here first we will choose end condition mid plane, then go to view orientation and see which one is better. Okay, let me choose this one. Now here see, this is the boundary, so drag arrow up to boundary. See, it is up to the perfect mark. Now here again we will use the same sketch 1, and these ribs we need to create, extruded boss base, and in selected contour I'll choose this one, keep end condition mid plane, view orientation and this view. Okay, now you will see there is a rib, so you just simply drag up to this line. Once you move your cursor up to line, it will show you it is fixed. Leave. Now see, say OK. Now see, now it's time to hide all the, either you can simply choose directly click hide, or select edge of any sketch, hide. See, this is how we created, converted a 2D file into 3D file, 3D model. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video. and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.